Hi, I Mohammed ZIMAD from first year AIDS. So I am presenting the innovation and design thinking seminar. So my topic is my product is online transaction. My product name is ZPay. Empathizing speed, security, cost effective, cashless transaction, innovative features. Detailed information, personalized messages, 24 by 7 support, quick response time, understanding and patience, easy returns and refunds. Define existing product name is online transaction and future product name is ZPay. So the idea behind this is computers with appropriate specification for development, offers reliable internet connection, cloud servers for hosting the application and database, SSL certificates for secure communication, hardware security modules for encryption key management. So my prototype will look like this. So test and let me know what are your reviews. Thank you.